Today, we check out the Mondo box. The Mondo box is a monthly subscription service from 3dprintinggear.net. They offer 5 20-meter long samples per month, along with a lot of other features. A man named Steve over at 3D Printing Gear asked if I'd like to check out the Mondo box, and of course I said yes. Admittedly, I don't do a lot of the monthly-based subscription stuff, because usually when I buy Filament, I'm testing a machine, and I don't have a lot of troubles getting through a full spool. But I do like to check out new stuff from time to time. So let's open it up and see what we got. So we have a nice personalized note. I'll read that later. We have a laser cut filament spool for sample sizes. Pretty cool. We got our 5 samples. They actually printed out a coin for each one of the samples to show you what it looks like. And we got some stickers, and we've got our testing spool. Let's take a look at these. We've got some 3D Fuel Natural Recycled PETG. We've got some Toner Plastics Red Delicious ABS. We've got some 3D Fuel Buzzed PLA, which is a beer-based PLA filament. That's a new one. We've got some Dazzle Light Black PLA. And I think my favorite color so far, Toner Plastics Emerald Pearl PLA. And I have to assemble this testing spool because I gotta know what it looks like. That is just too cool. So from reading the website, it looks like you get one of these wooden laser cut spools when you start your subscription with your first shipment. So I know they provided all these sample coins, but we have to print with it, so let's do it. So the printing's done. Now all I did was take the 3D Printing Gear Maker coin and I scaled it up 200% so we could get a little better look at the filament. So let's check them out. Let's get started with the Dazzle Light Black PLA. So this is the print from the Ender 2, and it's really suffering from some under extrusion. Now I figured this was probably the printer's fault and not the plastic's fault, so I did run another one on my MK2 and it came out almost perfect. So it looks like I have a little more work to do on the Ender 2. Then we moved to the 3D Fuel Natural Recycled PETG. It came out a little stringy. This was done on the Ender 3, but for PETG, that's pretty normal. Details on the back, again, a little bit of stringing, but still came out pretty well. Then we moved to the Toner Plastics Red Delicious ABS. This was done on the MK2. It is ABS. The finish looks really good. I do really like this color. It's very deep. I did get just a little bit of pulling on the back of the coin, but all in all, not a bad print. Then we moved to the 3D Fuel Buzzed PLA. This is the beer-based filament. It is a little stringy. I could have printed just a little bit slower probably. This was printed on log and I need to adjust my retraction settings, but not a bad print. It prints a whole lot like wood fill filament. And for those of you wondering, it doesn't smell like beer when it's printing. It's almost a mix of like campfire and baked bread. It's actually a really pleasant smell. If you take a really close look at that filament, you can see the particles in it. Again, it prints a lot like wood fill. And then I think my favorite out of the bunch, Toner Plastics Emerald Pearl PLA. This was done on my MK2 that has the Mosquito hot end. The print came out pretty much flawless. It just looks really good, and a great shiny color. I even dedicated my laser cut spool to my emerald green filament. And that's the Mondo box. Now the monthly subscription thing isn't for everyone, but it is a great way to get out and stretch your legs. There's so many different brands and types of filament out there now, you never know what you're going to get in one of these subscriptions. And if you are interested in a monthly subscription, head over to 3dprintinggear.net, check out their About page, and check out the Mondo box. You do get 5 pretty large sample filaments, they're working on a lot of other cool stuff, and it's only $25 a month. And if you are interested in signing up, they've given me a code that will be in the description below that will get you 25% off your first box, and that will be good from now to the next 30 days. The Mondo box was sent to me for free from 3dprintinggear.net for the purpose of this video. No money has exchanged hands, and all opinions expressed are my own. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to my channel. If not, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.